Hello students, today we are going to solve the first numerical of whole circle bearing. Question is given as convert the whole circle bearing which will be equals to 36 degree 35 minute and 15 seconds into quadrantal bearing. It means that we have to convert this WCB into QB. Now we know that our basic coordinate system is like this, that is north pole, that is south pole, east and west. Now we know that WCB is always measured from the north in the clockwise direction, so the WCB given is measured like this, that is 36 degree 35 minutes and 15 seconds. Now we have to convert this into QB. Now we know that when the survey line lies in our first quadrant, then whole circle bearing is equals to the quadrantal bearing. So the quadrantal bearing will be equals to north 36 degree 35 minutes 15 seconds east. That will be the quadrantal bearing of this survey line. That is all about this numerical. Thank you very much, students.